Yucca has numerous health benefits and it's often used medicinally. It can be incorporated into your diet and it can also be used topically to treat skin conditions and wounds. The dense, nutrient-rich root of the yucca is full of fiber. The fiber helps to stimulate the peristaltic motion in the bowels and it keeps you regular, and this removes problems like constipation and diarrhea. It can also help to reduce bloating, cramping, excessive flatulence, and more serious gastrointestinal issues. The folic acid in the yucca is associated with improving the overall skin and eye health, mostly through its antioxidant activity. Additionally, the folic acid has directly been related to a reduced chance of neural tube defects in infants, so pregnant mothers are encouraged to add folic acid to their diets. Adding yucca can help to regulate insulin and glucose levels, and this helps to prevent peaks and plunges in the blood sugar that lead to diabetes. Yucca contains a good amount of vitamin C, far more than most other edible roots, and this makes it incredibly important for the immune system. Vitamin C is the first line of defense for the immune system, and it encourages the production and the activity of the white blood cells. It acts as an antioxidant, and this prevents free radicals from damaging our organs and from causing cell mutations. Apart from boosting the immunity, vitamin C is also a key component in the production of collagen, and this is needed for all blood vessels, cells, tissues, and muscles. Yucca has high levels of potassium and folate, both of which are known to encourage blood flow to the brain, and this can increase cognitive ability. It stimulates the pathways in the brain and increases blood flow, so it's good for combating cognitive disorders. The dietary fiber makes you feel full and it regulates the uptake of nutrients in an efficient way. You're less likely to snack and to break from your dietary restrictions. Simple sugars often leave us feeling hungry, simply because our body's glucose levels are imbalanced. The yucca root can prevent this and help with the weight loss. The dietary fiber also lowers cholesterol and it promotes a healthier cardiovascular system by balancing the fatty acid levels. The potassium in the yucca also helps to relieve the tension in the blood vessels and the arteries, and this lowers your chance of stress on the heart that leads to atherosclerosis, strokes, and heart attacks. Yucca has some photoprotective properties, and this makes it important for protecting the skin against damage from the sun. Resveratrol is found in yucca, and this is proven to strengthen the skin and to increase its resistance to the degradation from free radicals and sun damage. A headache takes place when a nerve in the brain gets an excessive impulse and contractile blood flow. The yucca root contains magnesium and manganese, and these help to stabilize the nerve and to relieve the pain. Resveratrol and the saponins in the yucca root have been directly linked to the anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, and this makes it a good natural treatment for inflammatory issues like arthritis. Yucca can be beneficial for people with baldness. An extract of the yucca root is used as an ingredient in natural shampoo, and it's effective for promoting hair growth. Atherosclerosis is a problem that occurs in the artery walls due to the thickening and the accumulation of cholesterol. The yucca root contains fiber and antioxidants, and these lower the cholesterol and prevent it from entering into the artery walls. Yucca can help to firm and tighten skin. The vitamin C and the other antioxidants in the yucca can be effective to get rid of the free radicals that are a known culprit for causing aging in the human body. If you get a wound on the skin caused by a cut or an insect bite, you can rub the yucca root, and this can speed up the healing. It contains protein and other active substances that speed up the new skin cell formation and help the wound recover faster. Yucca has proven anti-gastric properties, so consuming the yucca is recommended for people who suffer from gastritis or ulcers. The fiber in the yucca can help the large intestine in the defecation process, and it eases the bowel movements by softening and adding bulk to the stool. A lack of fiber can cause constipation, since the stool will be hard and difficult to move through the large intestine. Cancer is actually a degenerative or mutation disease. It happens when the DNA of the cell has become damaged. Many factors can cause cancer, such as microorganisms, toxins, and free radicals. The antioxidant content in the yucca can help to protect the body cells from the free radicals, and the saponin can be helpful to cleanse the toxins from the body. Yucca can be used to reduce the levels of blood cholesterol and to balance the blood pressure. The antioxidant properties and the presence of the saponins are said to be the reason behind this property. The herb can reduce the buildup of free radicals, and thus it can stop damage to the blood vessels. Research has shown a combination of yucca and qualia can help to reduce the symptoms of hypercholesterolemia. Another research showed that the tribal members from the Maasai tribe in Africa generally have very low cholesterol levels. Research found this could be due to their high consumption of yucca root. Some reports claim the Native Americans washed their hair with the yucca to fight dandruff and hair loss. The yucca has been used to treat headaches, bleeding, gonorrhea, arthritis, and rheumatism. It's used as a natural deodorizer. It helps to reduce high blood pressure, migraine pain, and cholesterol. It's used to treat diabetes, poor circulation, and liver disorders. It protects the body against sun damage. It's beneficial for treating colitis, hypertension, and arthritis. In Ayurvedic medicine, yucca is used to treat arthritis and hair loss. The flowers and the fruit can be eaten, and the black seed or ground into a flour. The young flowering stems can be chopped and cooked like asparagus, or baked like a sweet potato. The fruit can be consumed raw or cooked. An overdose can cause nausea, vomiting, and abdominal pain. It should be avoided during pregnancy and breastfeeding, and prolonged use is not recommended. To learn more about herbs, supplements, and natural treatment plans, check out my website.